Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set your Dstv aspect ratio. So aspect ratio is all about setting the TV screen size. Alright, so let's say your TV screen have been zoomed in or out and you don't know how to do. All you got to do is to pick up the remote, you press on the blue button which will take you to the Dstv logo right here, and on the menu page you look for settings. Alright, so settings, you use the arrow left and right to look for the settings, and then you come to the first option, which is user preferences. So here you move to the video and audio. Alright, and as you can see you have aspect ratio in the list. Alright, so all you got to do is to change, and then you go back. Let's see, you select the zoom, you press on the back button for you to save automatically, and then you check whether that's the right size to fit your TV screen or what you want. If that's not the right size, all you got to do is to go back to the same menu and select a different option. Okay, the same steps. Okay, so if this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe, you like the video, and you share on other platforms. Thanks for watching.